now we go.
Penis!
Oh my god, my ears.
Alright. Chris, pick a card. Pick a card. Pick a card.
Any card. Pick a card. Any card.
You can give me any fucking card you want.
So I titled this the Evangelion special.
Yes.
Don't forget the meme. Chuckles, I'm in danger.
And I just put Oscar's face on it. Okay, Mr. Sassen. Mr. Shinji. Okay.
Oh, fine.
Waiting for me. Oh my god! That's so fuck.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna get murdered! I'm gonna get murdered by my friends.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna get murdered by my friends. The wheezing.
Yes!
That one's too good, okay?
Digny. Brett's non-existent Digny. That sounds like oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Blank my inevitable assassin. Oh no. Oh no. Laughs, I'm in danger.
It just cries.
Do the laugh. PFP, do the laugh.
Just starts laughing while it just cries at the end.
I'm crying. This is more funny than the other.
This is even funnier than part 1.
Part 3, part 3.
My inventable.
Mr. Shinji, what do you have in the bag for us?
It's a pre-made card, but it's too good not to use.
My inevitable dignity. My inevitable.
Pick me, senpai.
Pick me.
What?
What?
Oh my god.
Do I have to do editing?
Do
I
it!
don't know.
Put effort into this.
Oh
No.
my god. Smiley using my butt. Where's this PFP?
You need a picture of Smiley there.
The IRA.
There, I should have said that. Locomotive crashed for the chip shop.
Thank you.
Oh no, nasty.
Oh my god.
I'm in danger.
I'm in danger. Whoever, okay, who you must read it. Whoever card it is, you must read it. Nasty. Who?
Okay. Hold on real quick.
I think you'll be able to tell who's mine.
Ow, my leg.
Did you wait?
My leg.
PFP. Let's get ready to rumble.
Are you ready to rumble?
And then PFP hits his foot against
Here's
his
the
table.
warning. This is the warning. You have been warned. Why did I say warned?
Why are you getting warned?
This
Show
is
that
final
card.
warning. Right now, before you lose your eyes,
So canceled.
that's you.
I'm gonna upload this on my main YouTube channel because why the hell not?
Yeah, we're gonna get canceled.
I don't care.
Right, put that on the floor for right now.
It's like those massive pipe bombs. Like, guys, you
It's
wait.
like those freaking Harry Potter puppet videos, you know?
No, I was more thinking that
God.
scene from that. Wait, you know that scene in that movie where they just.
I don't.
Oscar's
Hold on, I gotta
anger.
think on this.
I think I know who wins. Oscar's anger.
Oh my god.
I picked Oscar's win, and you win my point.
For goodness sake, the
that
pipe
was so
bomb.
good one.
Chris,
Yeah?
can you not play that because I don't want to get demonetized?
Oh my god, that was so
Demonetized.
fucking
Get
hilarious.
demonetized. Get demonetized.
No one It's literally just a video my friend sent me.
Oh, okay.
You're not gonna get
Oh my
monetized from it because it's a privatized video.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Stuffing blank into Thanksgiving curry.
You guys are gonna kill me for wanting not to
Yeah,
pick.
if any of you guys put pipe bombs, that's immediately good for me because I'm in love with the IRA.
God damn it.
Warning: this video should not be watched by anyone who is LGBTQ, offended by easily, or intoxicated by cringe. Viewer discretion is
You have been warned.
Viewer discretion.
You have been warned. It pictures Smiley holding a gun.
You guys got me
Oscar's
so
boobs.
Okay. None of these are really too good.
I'm like this. Where this is going?
But I gotta say, this one's probably the best.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get
Warning, you
murdered.
have been warned.
I'm gonna get murdered for that.
My friends would like to know your location, Taylor.
I drove my sorrows.
Ian would like to know your location.
Okay, I'm gonna screenshot this. I'm gonna screenshot this and I just want to see this.
Excuse me, my bad.
Is this good? Should I pick that or is that too extreme?
Do it anyway.
Screw it.
Oh my god. Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
My god, sex movies be reversed.
It's the reverse.
I can't even. I don't even want to know what you guys are gonna pick. Should probably. To be continued moment right here.
That was a yawn.
What kind of yawn was screaming?
It's just coming from me.
Okay, what is taking Chris so long?
I'm sorry, I have to write this.
What?
I'm sorry, right, what?
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna copy paste something.
I can't do that because I'm only because I stream on Google.
Nice. Me, I win him.
Any day now. Should I pick?
Look in the chat.
I kind of can't.
Yes, you can
my
real
God.
quick.
Oh my!
Funny.
The tank.
That is hilarious.
I posted a meme.
The meme. Danielle.
That is hilarious. Okay.
Ahoy!
Okay, are you ready? Here we go.
Alright.
Yes.
Oh my god.
No. No. Yes.
You spelled it wrong.
I win.
Yes.
Oh, come on, I thought the IRA would win.
Sorry.
I don't think anyone has ever said that before. Hardly anyone knows this, but blank is a great way to remove
my
blood
God.
stain. If oh no, I'm
Oh my
Laps, I'm
God.
in danger. I'm in danger.
Oh,
Gosh.
I'm in serious danger.
Which is a quick route.
We still work. I'm probably gonna wake up tomorrow with like 50 pings saying, "What the fuck were you in last night?" They're gonna be like, "Did you really play Cards Against Humanity?"
Yes.
I'll be like, "No."
No, that was just my twin brother.
I'm trying to laugh out because my.
Oh my! I'm
people
not
are
watching that
talking
video.
to me.
Oh my god, who did that?
Another.
Okay, hold on. Wait, pick cards. Let me go to this YouTube link. Hold on.
For goodness sake.
Wow! Screw you to whoever posted that link. You wanna know what it led to?
What?
It led to Rickroll.
I'll be right back.
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna pick one and I'll just be right back. I gotta go take a picture of my cat.
Have fun.
Okay.
Gotta keep my priorities.
Because, I mean, you're not wrong.
Why
What
does it be so true?
the heck is that?
It's a trains website.
Oh, okay.
Wait, is that Chris's website?
No, it's my. It's you know people who make those
Yeah.
the CPR Hudson. That's for trains.
Yeah.
That
I
guys.
see.
Alright, okay.
Freeway frame method for playing unwanted frames. He's using blank before. I knew mine was gonna win. Is it true? It's like, oh yeah, babe, let me just let me just put this card in mine. I'm not funny, okay?
No, you're not.
We learned this years ago.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see, where is your channel?
It should be under my YouTube. It's under my Discord name.
Alright, I'm back. So, first card. I see. Okay, hold on. I'm just opening. Oh, of course. Of course.
What?
Explaining procreation to teens about the state. Oh yes. Oh yes.
I didn't see it. Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna get killed by my friends, but I don't.
You are dead. You are just a ghost.
I'm dead meat. I'm just like Shadow Warriors
Okay.
come out to play.
They're gonna be like,
Explain.
I'm literally going to be
Procreation
canceled. I'm gonna be.
routine involves.
If anyone finds out about it, if you're the one who found out about it,
Oh my god.
oh no.
Explaining
Oh.
procreation to a teen involves the story of the birds and the massive fat seagulls.
It's Alan Smith.
I mean, there's a bird called that, so.
And the last.
No.
Yeah,
Dang it.
finally. Hey, look, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I just love how in comics
That's
say
5433.
Uh
Okay. Penis. Okay, let's.
This fits too well.
oh. If one of you says if because your ass is bickless, I'll die.
Write that down. Write that down.
Quick, bring it down.
Write that down.
Quick, spam ping him.
Everyone.
ping. Okay. And pinging it is.
No, don't.
I can't see your name in my subscriptions list anymore.
And pinging.
You can't.
What are you doing?
Spam pinging me.
Lol.
I can just see notification. Oh my god.
Damn.
What's going on?
It's the FBI.
Your guy's gonna be knocking at my door any minute.
I just sitting here. I just heard ding dong in the background.
God.
Ding dong.
It sounds like an airport announcement.
Ding dong. Spinning his trash.
I'm trying to find that message.
Homer, you are. What if Marge Simpson voiced Darth Vader?
No.
Oh my god.
Homer,
No.
you are my.
What's wrong with you?
I would.
Everything's wrong with me.
Okay.
Let's see this.
Right.
Mr.
Take that
Shinji,
card.
show the cards, Mr. Shinji.
I think he's not here.
What? Oh. No.
You said oh twice.
Okay. Oh my god.
Sailor Man. Yeah,
Dang it.
Damn.
that was an accident. Oh no. Oh
Last
no.
place.
Oh no.
Okay, let's
You
see.
ain't. You know I ain't no homo, but I absolutely get down on floor. Was it?
Oh my god. Oh,
I'm going to hell
oh
for
my
that.
god. This...
Oh no. Why am I getting a bad feeling about this?
I can't find those videos anymore.
I know what's coming. Why?
You.
No.
Oh my god.
Someone's typing an essay.
Oh my,
It's the wheeze that's killing me.
oh my god. Alright.
All right, here we go, ladies. Jump.
Oh my god.
Okay. What? Who picked this? The one I'm looking at right now?
Which one?
God.
Anal.
I can't even
Pick it.
read this.
Who said it? Taylor. Was
No, I didn't do it.
Chris, you win for that. Is that you?
No.
JK, mate.
I was
Was I-
the one. I was the one about the IRA.
Oh,
Look,
He likes the IRA.
JK, mate.
I'm not surprised. But that's why I find it funny.
I thought right when I
If
said it, I was
someone if someone orders blank. Oh.
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 like, uh-oh.
I like the fact he just said that. Just
Uh-oh. What was that?
I just remember it's raining. Wait, PFP, do you remember? It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is suffering through life.
yes.
He's struggling with
Love
life.
this one.
It's raining. It's pouring. The old man's struggling through life.
Give me a minute. I got on me. I
What?
gotta find something real quick. Hold on.
It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is struggling through life.
Oh my god, this is.
I need to put this Nerf gun up.
Why do you have who has Nerf guns in 2021?
Me?
Yeah, actually. Okay, why does it say I'm idle?
Because reasons?
I don't know.
Because
Because your idleness?
no one likes you. Wait, what?
Come on, Mr. Shinji. Come on, Shinji, pick it. Just stop crying to your dad.
Oh god, this is gonna be funny.
Show the card.
Show. Lenin, Stalin, and Trotsky. The Irish pub.
I know that last one's Chris.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is struggling for life.
Good life. I like the fact that you remember that distinctly.
I don't
Unless
know
you just
why.
went in here.
Aliens versus oh no. I hear initial D.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Did I just hear someone say, "What's Vietnam?"
What's Vietnam?
Who's listening? I can hear someone listening to my old videos.
You've been listening.
An angry Hank Hill about to kick someone's ass. The USSR earned next.
Oh my god.
I'm crying. I'm literally crying.
He angry.
It's,
Oh my god.
oh my god. You guys are gonna hate me for years.
It's not like we hated you before.
That's true.
Oh my god. Oh, man.
It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is. Why do I remember that? It just popped in my head.
I don't know.
That night was so funny.
Right.
I can hear someone rewatching my video.
That just randomly pops into your head.
Sometimes the British Army.
British Army.
Oh my god.
Okay, for once you get your way.
Who picked it?
Me.
Wait! Wasn't he?
You. Oh no. It is well known for 2 doses of blank. Oh no.
2 doses of what?
Oh my god. Oh my god. You're gonna
Giant
hate me
mech
now.
anal sex.
Okay, if it's a really funny one, we all screenshot it.
I can't
Someone
screenshot it because I have double monitor.
Oh.
It's raining, it's pouring, my balls have dropped in the summer.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna. Actually, that's not true. I'm gonna get so much hate by my friends who like Ava. Oh my god. Ray boob move.
Oh no.
Sex and boobies.
Oh no.
Maximum
Oh no.
Okay.
In this.
Chris. Okay. Chris, which one did you pick? I think I know who wasn't. It's Chris. But it's oh.
Oh. He's in the lead again.
No, I'm gonna get demonetized.
You will now. If you weren't then, you were now. In this card.
Oh my god. I think my answer's gonna be obvious.
Oh my god.
My answer's gonna be obvious.
Vodka straight. Oh god.
Drinking vodka straight. Oh god. Wait a minute, I can't demonetize because it's my own video.
Copyright
Oh,
strike
my God.
yourself.
Like I said, obvious. Pipe Bob. I think we know who this Chris is.
Yay!
It's raining.
Congratulations.
It's pouring. The old man is struggling through life.
That was so
Oh, by
funny.
the way,
If we were gonna we're definitely gonna
yesterday, guys, yesterday I went to a Valentine's party, despite the fact it was 3 more days away, and we made a card. I guess what mine says. Well, not
What?
really a card. It's just like a sticker card where you can put googly eyes. Guess what mine said?
Does it say smileys
What?
come?
No, it says thanks for choosing me, but please reconsider.
Oh, that's sad. No, it's like laughing while crying. That's every Valentine's Day for me.
Rip.
I mean, technically we're all single. Nothing says I love you like, oh no.
You're not gonna like me. Thanks for choosing me, but please reconsider.
Oh my god, you guys are gonna hate me. It's me.
Man, it wasn't mine depressing.
It's raining, it's pouring. You should have put smileys come on it.
Nothing says I love you like Smiley.
You're gonna be fucking in. You guys are gonna fucking hate me.
Or nothing says I love you like the
Smiley.
auto train.
Auto train, auto train, auto train,
The auto train.
autotran,
The
autotran.
Smiley train.
Can I? You know how they say? You know those videos are like Galaxy Express? Can we make Galaxy?
Yes.
Can we make Galaxy Auto Train?
Yes.
Yeah.
Goes the speed of light while carrying cars.
I want to make a vid. We should make.
Smiley consumes the sun.
I want to make that a video now. We just make that like a video, but I'm not gonna do it because I'll get murdered.
Well, yeah, Smiley just consumes the sun.
Numb.
Just opens mouth wide open, just eats planets.
He's eating Jupiter.
It's passing gas.
Alright.
He's creating cum.
Nothing says I love you like
Oh my god.
a heart-shaped chocolate, a king-size bed.
Brett.
That wasn't me. I swear on my life. I swear on my life that wasn't me. Oh no. That's the South. That's the South.
Who did it?
No, that's not okay, that's Brett.
Not gonna lie, I really like this one. It is creative.
Yay!
Dang it, he's winning.
Yay!
This is coming from the other man who's winning.
I picked that because I was like, ooh, this is definitely gonna get Brett blamed. No one suspected me.
We're gonna get killed.
Brokeback Mountain taught us that cowboys. Oh no! Wait, hold a minute. I need to.
Yeah, we're gonna get canceled.
Oh, don't worry. I'm gonna get myself canceled.
I just wake up tomorrow with like 100,000 pings all saying, "What the fuck?"
We all get sued.
We're like, crap.
And this is why I have no friends.
Well, someone just ripped.
Who just ripped that?
Dang it! You stole my line.
It says no.
Who the fuck did it? Oh, yay.
Smug face. Wait, wrong chat.
The British already. Yeah, that's Chris.
Give me more points. I only had 3.
I only had 3. Give me the points.
There you go.
I only have oh no.
The
Oh,
long one
oh
kinda had
no.
me-
Oh no.
Oh my god.
When will they come for you? No, it's like when they come for you.
Alexa,
Alexa,
X.
when they come for you. Oh no, why am I afraid of this?
because things can go eternity wrong.
Because this is wait, it's like we
This
are
is
family.
awesome.
Cause we
Oh my
are
god.
family.
I think mine's gonna be pretty obvious.
I think I don't know what to say about this. I'm expecting cringe. I'm expecting a good wheeze out of Taylor.
You know, I always do that.
You're just making fun of my laugh.
I'm gonna make a shirt of just saying if there's a Conrail, it's like a Conrail shirt that's wheezing.
You only have
Conrail wheeze.
yours, and these monitors.
Wheeze rail.
Like the one that's over there and the one that's in the computer cabinet upstairs. They won't work with your computer, so you can't use them.
Oh,
So
so
you
I can't have it on
Wheeze
mine?
rail.
No, unless
Chris, you might
get
want to
a
mute yourself.
Alright, talking with my friends now. Go.
Alright,
You're like your sister.
Yeah.
Conrail. It turns into wheeze rail.
Taylor, we should make a shirt that says Conrail wheezing.
Wheeze
Like
rail.
that!
Yes.
I should sell shirts like that. Just says Conrail wheezing.
Yes.
Turns into wheeze rail.
I wouldn't. That would be great. And just, I would love to see Ian. Why one?
Brett found a new railroad company called the Wheeze Rail.
Yes.
It's just Taylor wheezing.
Okay, what's taking Chris so long?
We are family. Come on, mama. Oh no. 5, 4, go!
Oh my god!
This isn't me.
I found
Yeah,
it.
I know who this is. It's PFP. I'm not playing for this crap again.
You are stupid as hell
This
for
is
you.
me. This is me.
They won't.
Oh my god.
Okay, just because I'm a nice person, Chris, you get the point.
I think mine was pretty obvious.
Yeah, I think PFP's was the most obvious.
Where's this song like, yeah, I'm busted.
Oh no. Wait, tonight on this program, Jeremy has dead eyes.
Tonight on Board of Gear. Tonight on Butt Gear.
Oh my god.
Because he was forced to sleep on.
Damn.
During the war.
We are family.
No, we're not.
No, you don't know the song?
We're not gonna take it.
You know. Ain't gonna take it.
We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it.
It's so
Yes! A point for me. 8765.
Clarkson! Actually, guys,
How many do we get? You boy reversed into the sports lorry.
Have you seen that new series, The Great Escapist?
Oh my god.
Brad, you might be into us. Or not.
Oh my god, this is. I can already tell
Why did I say what I said?
in part 1.
Why did I say what I said?
Okay, who the hell is playing Forza Horizon 3?
Oh, I know.
What?
Alright. Oh, I can't sing this, or else we're gonna get copyright struck.
It's my own video. Okay. Okay, Chris, show the cards.
Silver and gold are worth nothing compared to.
Continuation.
on to me, and James takes me from.
Hey, James, take me from behind.
Silver and gold are worth nothing.
She just beat us.
Silver and gold are worth nothing compared to girl slap. What?
I think that means
What?
like,
Girl
is that lesbian?
Yes.
Ow.
Right, Hammond, you back onto me, and you, James, take me from behind. That's actually a quote from the show. 877
Oh my god.
543 Luna.
Into blank spoiler, you're actually
If you're into.
What?
I recognize that voice. It's DZ.
Yeah.
Wake me up before.
Ow. Ow.
Did you just stub your toe like PFP? We are family. Right, Hammond, you pull, you take, you go on front while
You can't
James.
speak, can you?
Oh my
Someone
god.
go in.
How many are we gonna have?
You were molested.
Squirting.
You know that video called Cheese?
Trees.
Oh no. Opening a business after 2020 means you seriously need insurance for it. Oh no. I know, I have a feeling that Chris is gonna say the IRA.
Mine's gonna be so obvious.
Meanwhile, PFP is just insurance for fortunate son. Down now. Down now. Down now. Hey look, it's Pen Pen, the penguin. That's terrible. That doesn't make any sense.
That's terrible. That doesn't make any sense.
PFP 2021.
PFP's on January 19th, 2021.
We are family. Harry Truman Doris.
It may take me a minute. Give me a second.
Ooga booga, ooga booga
That was an
booga.
oxymoron, but okay.
Okay. Hey,
Talk amongst yourself.
PFP, you're writing another essay, I swear to God.
I have a very bad feeling about this.
I just love that bird.
It's Pen Pen, the penguin. Do you want me to show who Pen Pen is?
Whatever, yeah, a bad bird.
You guys remember that penguin that walked out of that shower with Oscar?
Yes.
That was Pen Pen.
I want to burn. The
Oh
bird's
my-
the word.
I'm not
burn,
picking-
burn. The bird's the word.
And
Hold on, let me screenshot that.
too late.
Hold on. Oh, damn it.
There you
Let me
go.
screenshot some. Wait, let me screenshot this real quick.
5, 4, 3.
Wait.
I'm gonna get so much. No, I'm not gonna pick it. I'm not gonna. I knew someone was gonna do it.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright. We all have to get to 8. So, please pick my 3 cards for the next round, please.
No.
No.
Your sound is starting to become desperate.
He is.
There is a shed up. Oh no. The janitor says the principal keeps. Oh no.
Ooh, this could get a bit spicy. A bit too spicy for YouTube.
There's a card. I have a card that literally says Nancy Pelosi.
Oh my god, use it!
I'm doing it.
We're not very good people in this game, are we?
Since when were we good people?
Exactly.
Better than you two,
There's a
anyway.
really good one, I'll screenshot it.
Nancy Pelosi.
That would be obvious as shit.
Mine's obvious because I said it.
Imagine she just sees this video.
Yeah, I just get sentenced to the Supreme Court.
She's like, what the hell is this?
What the hell is this piece of crap? I mean, there's already a lot of memes about Nancy Pelosi.
Worst Nancy Pelosi impression ever in 2021.
I mean, there is, like, you just see this in the top 20 videos of, like, of scenes from 2021.
Yeah. If
Number
that
10.
happens, I will laugh.
I would die in laughter. I mean, she's already has a bunch of memes about her, so go
Yeah.
figure.
Who cares?
Remember this?
Oh man. What? Let me see.
Let me take a look.
My old profile picture.
Oh my god. Wait, that was your old profile picture?
Yes.
That was the one before your the one before your dog.
Before Stig.
Yeah.
You want to, guys? You want to see my reaction to that?
What?
You ready? You?
Is it you feeling old?
No, I'm already
It's me.
old.
You don't say.
My
What
reaction.
is that supposed to mean?
Sokka stunned.
Okay.
It's like that's his old profile picture.
No,
I heard that.
Chris, I don't want to. I rather keep my lives around.
What?
Who the
Right, you
hell-
have permission to try to say that again?
Chris, I want to keep my life.
Chris, stop it!
No.
Chris!
And he's gone. And he yeeted out. And he's back.
I
Doing that.
Chris!
Keep
Hey,
playing
Chris.
it. You know what?
Wait!
No, to keep Chris here. Just to make Chris happy.
Oh no, everything sounds better in a French accent. Oh wait, everything sounds better in a French accent. See?
What?
Oh.
Okay, can you not breathe into your microphone, please?
Everything sounds better in a French accent, see?
As they.
Oh my god.
Alright, where?
Oh, I think mine. You won't be expecting mine.
You won't be expecting mine either.
Everything sounds better in French. See?
Everything sounds better in French.
Because the French getting invaded by Germany twice.
I mean, not wrong.
It's not wrong. It's true.
Oh my god! What?
Oh my god, my dog. Gracie's made it onto the big screen.
Alright, that's it. That's it for me tonight.
All right.
I gotta go. I'll see you guys later.
We probably should end it here anyway,
Yeah. Good
so.
night. Good night.
Good night.